tying up, but you won't help.
Correct.
Hey, why is my pocket full of not sunshine but sawdust?
You weirdo.
Don't tell Chloe that.
Don't tell Chloe that.
Oh man, I need a ladder.
You getting all the flies?
Meanie. It's so big and open. Ah! He's making you do it again. I know, right? This is abuse.
Go.
Can you hold this? Thank you. You gotta move your arm, in your leg, because this is gonna go this way, over, yeah. Oh God, I'm so much more confused. I don't like this tree, actually. Halfway up, there's so many branches.
Get! Get! Get!
I think this is harder than the last one, actually.
It is.
Yeah. Nah. Ow. Ow. At least it's alive this time. Ow! Am I halfway up yet?
A couple more feet. All right, tie it up. Tie it where your hands are.
I hit my head.
I hope so. I'm leaning back to try to get you on video. I hope I'm making it. Oh!
Thank you. No, you're getting me. Thank you. Oh. God, thank you. I got your neck. Sorry, tying a noose around you as well. Had to happen,
Oh, that was great.
It's tied. Better than the last one, actually.
Wait, all right. Ready? There we go. There's the clue out of the tree. Got it.
It's fucking wood all up in my hair.
All right. Forward. A little bit more. A little bit more.